Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Start menu and locate the app you want on the desktop. Right-click the app to reveal options and choose More to open file location when needed. From the file location, drag the app icon to the desktop to automatically create a shortcut. You can also right-click any created shortcut and choose Properties. In Properties, set a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+Alt+K for quick launching later. Open Finder and choose the Applications folder to see installed apps. Locate the app you want, then right-click it and choose Make Alias to create a desktop alias. You can also drag the original app to the desktop while holding Option and Command to create a linked copy. To keep quick access, drag the app or alias into the dock and position it where you prefer. The dock icon gives one-click launching without cluttering your desktop. On Linux, use a desktop file to define shortcuts with name, exec, and icon fields. Create the file in a text editor, include exec =path/ to /app, and set icon =path/ to /icon. PNG for a proper appearance. Save the file to the desktop or to ~. Local / share / applications to integrate with menus and search. Make the file executable using chmod+x so the system allows launching it directly. If icons look wrong, clear icon caches or use full absolute paths for icon files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.